Today I'm taking a deep dive into Signal Iduna, one of the more established names in the German insurance landscape. The company offers a broad spectrum of policies, including health, dental, life, and accident insurance. Right from the beginning, their website presents a very structured layout, but not necessarily the most intuitive one. You are immediately presented with categories for private individuals, companies, and civil servants, which helps narrow things down. But the navigation can feel clunky at times, especially for first-time users or non-German speakers. Once you click into the health insurance section, you're faced with multiple tariffs, some of which are not clearly explained unless you download their PDF brochures. This lack of transparency might be frustrating if you're trying to compare plans quickly. For those looking into private health insurance, Signal Iduna offers a few different tariffs, like the Start, Comfort, and Exclusive options. But again, understanding the differences between them requires patience and digging through small print. I personally went through the process of getting a quote, and while it was straightforward, there was no instant pricing. I had to wait to be contacted by a representative. That's typical in Germany, but it still adds a delay that not everyone will appreciate. The follow-up communication was professional, though slightly aggressive in tone, when trying to close a contract. The claims process, in my experience, has been average. Reimbursements were eventually processed, but slower than expected. It took over 2 weeks in one case for a basic dental claim to go through, and their digital claim upload system felt outdated compared to what some competitors offer. Their customer service is functional but lacks consistency. Some representatives were helpful and quick to respond, while others gave conflicting information or didn't respond at all. It's not uncommon in larger insurance firms, but still something that can be improved. Many useful links you can find in the description. When it comes to supplementary insurance like dental, Signal Iduna markets heavily with promises of comprehensive coverage, but you'll want to read the fine print carefully. Some of the most advertised features are only available in premium tariffs, and even then, there are limits on how much you can claim annually for certain procedures. In terms of pricing, Signal Iduna falls into the mid to high range depending on your age, profession, and coverage level. It's not the cheapest option, but it's not the most expensive either. What you're paying for is an established reputation and a wide network of partner practitioners in Germany. That said, I wouldn't recommend Signal Iduna to someone looking for ultra-fast digital service or minimal paperwork. It's best suited to individuals who prefer traditional service and don't mind some bureaucratic procedures. If you're an expat, be aware that while some parts of the website and support team can handle English, the contracts and key policy documents are primarily in German. There are some perks, like discounts for combining multiple types of insurance, and they do offer wellness incentives through some health plans. But these features won't make up for the cumbersome interface or inconsistent service unless they're particularly important to you. Ultimately, my experience with Signal Iduna has been a mixed bag. There's reliability and structure, but also a lack of transparency and sluggish responsiveness. For anyone considering them, I recommend speaking to an independent advisor who can break down what you're really getting. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews just like this one.